Advantages and disadvantages of complete enumeration, that is census and sample survey. Population, entire group of individuals on whom we want to collect data. Sample, a representative part of the population. Example, suppose you want to know the opinions of 900 students about their exam. So asking each of those 900 students is not a easy task. So among them, only 10 students can be asked about their opinions. And the opinions given by those 10 students can be a representative of the all the opinions of 900 students. So the 900 is the population and the 10 number of students is the sample. So there are two ways of collecting data. Number 1, complete enumeration, that is census. If data is collected from each and every members of the population, then it is called census or complete enumeration. In India, census of India takes place every 10 years. Recent most census took place in 2011 and it was to be held in 2021 again, but due to COVID situation it was postponed. 2, sample survey. Collecting information from a representative sample of the population is called sample survey. For example, if you want to taste the bulbs produced in a factory, then it will not be so easy or possible to check all the bulbs produced there. So, we have to do sample survey in that case. That is, checking only few bulbs among all of them. What is parameter and statistics? A parameter is the number that describes entire population. For example, population mean. Population mean is the average that we calculate from the data we collect from entire population. On the other hand, statistic is a number describing the sample. For example, sample mean. Sample mean is the mean that is average calculated from the data collected from the sample. So it is expected that sample mean is the representative of the population mean, because sample is the representative of the population. So it is expected that sample mean is the representative of population mean. Now advantages, complete enumeration and sample survey. The advantages of complete enumerations are: it gives exact information, low proficiency of the investigator is required, and C, no sampling error. Sampling error means the error that is occurred while selecting sample. On the other hand, the advantages of sample survey are: takes less time and labor, per investigator cost is higher but total cost is lower than census. Per investigator cost is higher because skilled investigator is required here. And C, only sample survey is possible when population size is very large. Now disadvantages. The disadvantages of complete enumeration are: it is time consuming, higher chances of non-sampling errors are there, error in data acquisition, non-response error, etc. These are all called non-sampling errors. And it is sometimes impossible because large number of populations is there, so it is impossible, and the total cost of complete enumeration is very high. Disadvantages of the sample survey are: skilled investigator is required in sample survey, sampling error is common, selecting a good sample is very difficult because sample must be the exact representative of the population, so it is very important to select a good sample. Number D, data is sometimes unreliable to be useful. It is because the sample selected may not be a good representative of the population. I hope this video is useful to you. Take care. Thank you.